Greetings. We will discuss about the study that was conducted by our researchers entitled Understanding Students' Perception of Type 2 Diabetes.
There are two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. They're different conditions, but they're both serious. There are some other rarer types of diabetes too. What all types of diabetes have in common is that they cause people to have too much glucose in their blood. But we all need some glucose. It's what gives.
Adolescence is a critical period when lifestyle habits are formed, and lack of knowledge about chronic illnesses like type 2 diabetes can lead to poor health choices later in life. Despite the growing concern over the increasing incidence of type 2 diabetes among younger populations, there is limited empirical data focusing on students' knowledge of this condition within the context of private educational institutions. A quantitative approach enables the collection of measurable data on students' knowledge, and the factors of its knowledge can be analyzed to reveal patterns and gaps. By quantifying this knowledge, this research aims to inform and may guide the administration and educators in enhancing their health curriculum and outreach efforts, ultimately contributing to better health literacy and risk reduction among the student population. The purpose of this study is to quantitatively study Holy Name University senior high school students' level of knowledge about type 2 diabetes. What is the level of knowledge of Holy Name University senior high school students about type 2 diabetes? 3. How do the students' educational background, economic stability, and access to healthcare affect their understanding of type 2 diabetes? Reliability tests from pilot testing. Do you have any family members or relatives diagnosed with type 2 diabetes T2D? Insulin resistance is the common cause of type 2 diabetes. On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate your knowledge of T2D? Does your school provide enough information about T2D? How regularly do you visit a doctor or health professional who discusses health topics like diabetes? How often do you learn about diabetes from your school curriculum? The planning and preparation for this research study on the knowledge of type 2 diabetes were created within Holy Name University. The researchers used an online survey for the senior high school, specifically Our Lady of Abundance respondents. This setting provides a meaningful context for evaluating their existing knowledge about type 2 diabetes. The participants of this study were 36 senior high school students, specifically Our Lady of Abundance in Holy Name University. They were selected using cluster sampling by dividing the population into groups. This sampling method was used to know deeply about their knowledge levels regarding type 2 diabetes. These 36 participants voluntarily agreed to be part of the study and were given informed consent prior to their involvement. The researchers ensured that confidentiality were maintained throughout the study. The respondents are fully aware on the importance of proper knowledge about type 2 diabetes T2D.